Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to blur your background in Zoom. This is a fantastic feature that helps you maintain privacy and professionalism during meetings by keeping the focus on you rather than what's happening behind you. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Zoom home screen with all your meeting options available. Next, go ahead and join a meeting. Once you're in the meeting, you'll notice the bottom toolbar with various controls. This is where all the main features are located that you'll use during your call. Look for the button labeled More and click on it. This will open up a menu with additional options that aren't immediately visible on the main toolbar. From that menu, select Settings. This is the control center for all your Zoom preferences and configurations. Clicking it will open a new window where you can customize everything about your Zoom experience, from audio settings to video preferences. In the Settings window, you'll want to click on Video and Effects. This section is dedicated to all the visual aspects of your meetings, including camera settings and background options. It's where Zoom stores all the tools you need to enhance how you appear on camera. Once you're in the Video and Effects section, look for and click on Virtual Backgrounds. This feature allows you to either replace your background entirely or blur it, which is exactly what we're doing today. The Virtual Backgrounds option is one of Zoom's most popular features for personalizing your meeting appearance. Now, you'll see several options including various background images and effects. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Blur. Click on it to activate the blur effect. As soon as you select it, you'll notice your background becoming softly blurred while you remain in focus. This creates that professional look without completely hiding your surroundings. Finally, simply close the Video and Effects settings window. Zoom will automatically save your selection, so you don't need to worry about clicking any save buttons. Your blurred background is now active and will remain this way for your current meeting and future meetings until you change it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully blurred your background in Zoom, giving your video calls a more polished and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.